Hey, what's up everyone? This is Todd Dow, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 websites to make $30,000 in a month. Actually, here's a screenshot of over $29,000 that I've generated using these 4 websites that I'm going to be sharing with you throughout the course of this video inside of my computer. So I'm actually going to hop inside my computer, and I'm going to show you the websites, how you can get them all connected, and then how you're going to be able to make $30,000 a month utilizing my strategy along with the 4 websites I'm going to be showing you. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button. It allows me to reach more people just like you who are searching for videos just like this that demonstrates exactly what you need to do in order to start making money online. As a matter of fact, if you haven't already and you're brand new to this YouTube channel, go ahead and hit subscribe, because I create these videos pretty much daily as of right now to help people just like yourself to make more money online, okay? So whenever you hit that like button, YouTube starts to recommend the video, and then more people just like you start to see this video over and over and over again in order to start benefiting from what I'm actually sharing with you and these strategies. So the word of the day, you guessed it, is 30,000. All you gotta do is comment 30,000 right below this video. And what I'm gonna do this Friday is I'm giving away my e-com course, and I'm also giving you early access to my YouTube course that I'm in the process of creating for individuals like yourself who want to build a brand, who want to build your online presence, or who would like to, either way, if you want to show your face or not, make money from YouTube as well. There's a video that I did just last week that allowed you to be able to create YouTube videos without actually showing your face. So if you want to watch that video, all you got to do is click the card up top and you'll be able to watch that video as well. But don't forget to watch the complete video here, because it's going to correlate with what's inside that video as well. For those of you that don't know, I'm living out here in Colombia, South America, and I've been living here for 2 years, okay? 2 years straight, 2 years and some change. And I've been doing this from my commissions that I've been making from my online businesses and other businesses that I started, okay? So if you want to have that type of stability in your business, then you should follow along with my tutorials that I have on this channel, okay? So with that being said, I don't want to make this too long because I have a lot to share with you with these 4 websites. So website number 1, the first website you should use right now is called Shopify. If you've never heard of Shopify before, it is a platform, it's an e-commerce platform that allows you to sell products on that platform. It could be digital products or it could be physical products on that Shopify platform. I've actually marketed both on that platform. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to Shopify, and as you can tell here, it is a free trial for you to be able to start with your Shopify store. All you gotta do is just go through Shopify, through the link right in the description of this YouTube video, and you're gonna be able to access this Shopify site. Now with Shopify, they have multiple different apps that you can use on that platform, and you can also start marketing there using PayPal, okay? So if you want to take payments into your store, you can use PayPal in order to start taking payments. If you have a payment processor of your own, then you can definitely plug that up into your Shopify store. Another payment processor that you can use is called Stripe. And so with Stripe, you can actually utilize the strategy. I have a video up here for you to be able to add Stripe right to your store instead of using just Shopify payments, okay? Now, that leads me to the next point. Shopify actually has their own payment processor or a relationship with Stripe, and it's called Shopify Payments. Exact same methods, except you're gonna be paying a little bit more by utilizing just Stripe on your site, because they charge you $1 per sale that you make on your Shopify store if you're not using Shopify Payments. So that's something to look into right there. So once you have this platform right here, it only takes you a few minutes to actually set up, build a name out, and whatsoever. So towards the end of this video, I'm gonna share with you what you should be selling on your store right now in order to start making profits with your store. But the next website that you're gonna go ahead and go over to is called Upwork. Now, Upwork is an outsourcing website that allows you to be able to hire people for your business. I hire all of my customer support reps there. I hire all my graphics designers there. Hire all of my management team right there on Upwork, and I just pay them every single week, okay? It's really automated the way it is, because you can see every single detail of what your team is actually doing with your website, okay? And so with that being said, if you need any type of graphics, which is what you're gonna need with your store whenever you use the tactics that I'm sharing with you in this video, It's gonna allow you to have your website looking really fresh. It's gonna have your website looking really fresh, up to date, and it's definitely gonna stand out between other websites that are out there on the internet. The third website that you're gonna use is called Alibaba. I've been using Alibaba for the past 2 years, and you're able to save a ton of money on products that you can buy and ship straight to your house to be able to ship out, okay? These products are products that basically the factories are creating for us. And so with them being able to create things in bulk, we get a huge bulk discount on products that normally would cost 3 times as much if you were to buy it anywhere else. And so what I do is to source my products that I'm gonna use on my store, I always use Alibaba to buy in bulk, and then I ship it to either me, my client, or I will also ship it to the warehouse, okay? And so it just depends on the game plan that you're gonna use. So towards the end of this video, you're gonna be able to use or go between the different options that I'm gonna be giving you in order to start benefiting from using this website called Alibaba. I love this website because, again, it saves me a ton of money by buying in bulk, okay? They may, like some vendors on this particular website will allow you to order 50 units, some even 25, some even 10 units of the product. So it doesn't cost a whole lot to get a few units of the product to start flipping it and making money from your store. And the last website that you're gonna use is called Ecom Hunts. Ecom Hunts is a website that allows you to be able to get on there and actually find products that are winning products. They actually show you exactly what products are hitting, how much visibility the product is getting, and then you're going to be able to make a better decision on what product that you're going to use for your store, what niche you're going to go into based on the winning products on this website. I've been using this website for the last 2 years, and it's never failed me all the way up until this point. And so coupled with my other website that I'm giving you access to as well, which is Alibaba, you're going to be able to not only outsource the product cheaper than what you see on this Ecom Hunts website, but obviously you're going to be able to make more profit by utilizing these two websites together. So you're going to use Ecom Hunts to find the product that's going to be your winning product to market on your store, your very first product. And then after that point, you're going to start utilizing Alibaba to actually start fulfilling the orders by ordering in bulk using that website. I'm going to go ahead and hop into my computer where I can share with you the strategy behind actually marketing this, where you can 10x your results, get organic traffic, and start making passive income at the same exact time. This does not require you to have to show your face if you don't want to, but if you do, this strategy can be something that you can start utilizing today. So with that being said, I'm gonna hop on over into my computer and I'm gonna share with you the exact strategy you need to be putting in place right now to benefit from everything I shared with you inside this video. All right, so I'm gonna try to cover as much as I can with this strategy. I put out a detailed information. This is a 9-step process. You have to start from number 1. And the first one is to decide what niche you want your brand to be in, to build, okay? And so like if it's physical, if it's a fitness product that you found, if it's a sewing product, if it's a cleaning product, if it's a wine product, whatever the product is, you're gonna wanna stay in that niche whenever you're using this strategy, okay? So you're gonna decide which niche you're going to go into. Obviously by using Ecom Hunts, you're gonna find a product and that's gonna determine which niche that you're gonna go into depending on what product you pick. The second thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna decide who's gonna be the face of your business, okay? Or if you're not going to be the face, then you want to outsource it. And that's where Upwork comes into play, where you're gonna outsource to individuals, or you can actually go to Fiverr, which is a cheaper option to outsource individuals who can actually create the videos that you need for your channel that you're gonna be creating. Which brings me to the third point. You're gonna create a YouTube channel around the brand name. Let's say, for example, your product is about wine and drinking wine. Maybe you're passionate about drinking wine. You found a wine product that's hitting. So it'd be very easy for you to create videos of yourself drinking wine and talking about how you like certain types of wine. Easy, right? But you're gonna create the name of the brand around that specific topic. And that way, all the content on your YouTube channel is gonna be created around that topic of actually a wine products. The fourth thing is you want to recreate viral videos in your niche or outsource. So any type of wine products, for example, on this video, that of individuals who are drinking wine, whatever viral videos that you can find in that niche of people drinking wine or talking about wine, you're gonna wanna repurpose that information in order to create your own video. Okay, just keep in mind for the Creative Commons of your YouTube video, you should not use more than 13 seconds of somebody else's video to demonstrate. And if you're going to use somebody else's video, make sure you're linking back to their video or their channel in order for them to get the credit of the video that you've actually used. Okay, and so when you do that, you're going to be able to recreate viral videos in your niche, and then you're going to be able to start getting traction after a while of posting videos on your channel. Okay. The next thing is do SEO to your YouTube video. Most people who create YouTube channels just create the videos and they upload them, and that's fine. It just takes a little bit longer to actually start seeing results from your YouTube channel if you're just posting videos and you're not doing any type of SEO. Most of you don't know what SEO is search engine optimization. Anytime you type in like any type of keyword in Google or YouTube and you're able to find the video, if you're able to get in front of that crowd for those particular keywords, that's how you're optimizing your video. Search engine optimization. How to optimize your YouTube video. Now, what I do to optimize my YouTube video, I'm not an SEO expert. I know how it works. I know how it can be powerful for my YouTube videos. However, I outsource it through Fiverr. It costs me about $5 a video, and that's what I use for my YouTube videos to help them to rank for certain keywords. Now, not every video is going to rank in Google and YouTube at the same time, but if you can imagine a couple of videos hitting the first page of Google and YouTube for search terms, and sales coming in from that can be coming in for a long time to come. Okay, and that's why I like this passive income stream strategy, because it utilizes Google and YouTube to get traffic to your videos, which in turn gets individuals to go to your website and actually purchase the product from you. The last thing, and this is something that I've just had talked about in one of my other videos, it should be a card up on the video here, where I talked about an Instagram strategy that uses memes or a meme theme page, where it's just basically funny videos or videos that are viral on Instagram. You can repurpose them and actually use them for your marketing for your business. So you're going to want to create an Instagram account around your brand name, and then you're going to want to use a targeted follow-unfollow method to build your page up. What does that mean? So I noticed something whenever I bought a software a while back. It was called Stem Social. Stem Social is a company. It is a software-based company. However, there are real people behind the software who actually connect your account and follow-unfollow people who are targeted based on the targets that you use initially. Okay. So what you do with this strategy to do it for free is you find other pages that are about wine, right? People who are drinking wine, big wine enthusiast pages. And every time that they make a new post on their page, you're going to go in the comments. You're actually going to go through the likes on that post, and you're going to follow everybody who liked that post. Okay, that means you're going to get targeted people who are interested in wine, who are active followers on Instagram, and they'll follow you back just by following them. Okay, but don't just go there. Follow them, like one of their pictures, maybe three of their top 3 pictures on their Instagram if they have them, and then go on to the next person to follow. You'll have a better engaged audience if you do it that way. And then over time, as you hit your limits, because there is a limit to how many people you can follow, and then you basically spend more days unfollowing some individuals from that point on, and then follow again. So it's basically the threshold of actually following people will go up as you continue to follow more people, and as people follow you as well, you'll be able to reach more and more people. And you're going to do this on a day-to-day basis. There is a limit, and you'll know that limit once you start following people on Instagram. Now, on that Instagram account, you're going to repost and repurpose viral content on your IG page for your brand. So anything that's funny, it doesn't even have to be related to wine or any of the product period. It could be something that's really funny. The targeted, the better. But if it's something that's funny, you can repurpose that video and just put a few words or use a different title on the video in order for people to start sharing and liking that video. Okay, you want to put the name of your website on the video, and you definitely want to put your Instagram handle or your @blah Instagram handle name inside of the video or on the video somewhere in order for that to work. Now, if you're not good with editing, there's a lot of different editing softwares that are free. If you just go to Google and Google free editing software, you can find one. I'm using Camtasia Studio to actually edit my videos. I also have Adobe Premiere, but I like the Camtasia Studio because it's a lot easier for me to edit my videos, okay? And so whenever I do my edits for my YouTube videos, I use Camtasia Studio, but then I use Adobe Premiere to edit my Instagram videos to post on my Instagram page. And if you want to see examples of how this is done, you can always go in the description of this YouTube video, click on my Instagram account, and you can see some of the pages and the videos and things that I've already created on that channel, on that Instagram account, using this method. The last thing that you're going to do, and this is when you start building up some income, you're going to want to disperse some of that money back into your business by doing some retargeting ads. I can't tell you how powerful retargeting ads especially when you're retargeting individuals that hit your website and you have a detailed targeted message for individuals that have already visited your website and showed interest in buying your products or services that you're trying to market on your Shopify store. Okay, and so like that's a simple way of doing it. How to setting up all these individual ads. I actually have a course in the description of this YouTube video where you can actually join my mastermind group, and you'll be able to learn how to do retargeting ads through that group. Either that, or you can just wait until later on where I actually show you a demonstration on this YouTube channel how to create retargeting ads for your Facebook. But in essence, you're going to want to go through all 8 of these steps, and it's going to take you a while to get all this set up. And by the time you do that, you know, I should have a YouTube video up on retargeting on this YouTube channel. Okay, I have various different retargeting tactics, and I found one that works really well with your business. Now, you don't have to do $20 a day. You can do $10 a day in advertising and on retargeting, but it's very, very profitable whenever you use this method. Because you got to remember, people from Google, people from YouTube, and also people from Instagram are going to be visiting your website, and you know it takes 6 to 7 exposures for the average person to actually purchase your products or services. So when you put that into play, retargeting ads is going to get you the exposure that you need over and over and over again with those individuals, and then from there you're going to be able to get more profit from it because you already exposed them through your YouTube videos and your Instagram account. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I come out with a lot of videos going in depth exactly how to do these certain strategies, and you know, anytime you can always follow my Instagram account or get on any one of my lives on my Instagram account. Get them inside of my course, and you'll be able to see exactly how I'm doing using all of these methods all at once. Or you could just spy on me, like I said again, go to my Instagram account and see everything I'm doing. You can look at this YouTube channel. You can look at my past YouTube videos where I talk about other channels that I'm growing and building at the same time. So with all that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Smash that like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you got value from this video. I look forward to seeing you on the next videos, participating in the giveaways by commenting right below the videos. And you know, hopefully it's you that actually gets the ecom course that I created, which is worth $1,000. I'm giving it away each and every single Friday to individuals who just comment on my YouTube videos. So you guys take care, and I definitely will see you at the top.